Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Sharmeen and I am a teacher at Anjuman Islam's A.A.K English Secondary High School, Vashi. Our today's subject is English Grammar. But before getting to our topic, let me engage you all in an interesting examples. Come, let's have a look at it. So students, tell me, can you all identify the highlighted words given in the sentence? Come on, let's start with the first sentence. Ram is stronger than Majid. Lucknow is one of the most beautiful cities in India. It is raining more heavily today than yesterday. You are weaker than me. Rama is the most intelligent girl in the class. This rose is looking gorgeous in front of other flowers. Living in Tokyo is more expensive than living in Delhi. So tell me, when you all look at these sentences and the highlighted words, what do you think these highlighted words are telling us? What are these highlighted words known as? Can you all tell me? Do you have any idea? So the highlighted words were more expensive, more intelligent, gorgeous, weak, stronger, and more beautiful. So what are these words called as? What were these words doing in those sentences? Yes, these are all describing words. They were describing the nouns in the sentences. What are these describing words called as? Yes, very good. These describing words are known as adjectives. So now that we've come to our topic, our today's topic is adjectives, degrees of comparison. So these adjectives have various degrees in them. So to which adjective are we applying these degrees? We apply these degrees to the adjective of quality. When an adjective is showing the kind or quality of a noun or a pronoun, this adjective is called as adjective of quality. Let's look at the example. I had a yummy sandwich. Now sandwich is your noun, but what is yummy? Yummy is describing the quality of that sandwich, that it is a yummy sandwich. Let's have a look at the second example. This box is heavy. Box is your noun. Now how is the box? The quality of the box is that it is heavy. Third example, New Delhi is a big city. Now city is your noun. How big is the city? It is a big city. So here in these three examples we have seen that the nouns, the adjectives are describing the quality of the noun. How big, how they taste, or how big they are, that is your adjective of quality. After we've identified the quality, an adjective of quantity changes its form when it is used to compare one noun to another. This is called degree of comparison of an adjective. So after we've identified the quality, when the adjective is changing its quantity, that is your degree of comparison. Let's have a look at the first degree, positive degree. Now a positive degree is used to refer one object, one person, or a place without making any comparison with another object, person, or a place. Example, Amina is a good girl. The quality of only one girl is shown here. Japan is a developed country. The quality of a developed country, only one country's quality is shown. Hence, when only one quality of a one person, place, or an object is shown, it is called as positive degree. Moving on to our second degree, that is the comparative degree. Comparative degree is used to compare two objects, two places, or two people. For example, the earth is larger than the moon. Now we are comparing two objects, the earth and the moon. Which is the bigger object among the two? That is the earth. Next example, my brother is taller than I am. So we are comparing two people here, my brother and I myself. So who is taller among both of us? My brother is taller than me. So when we are making a comparison between two objects, two places, or two person, then it is called as comparative degree. What are these comparative degrees applying to? The adjective of quality. The adjective of quality. Our first degree of comparison was positive degree. Next is comparative degree. Let's move on to the third degree, that is the superlative degree. Now, the superlative degree is used to compare more than two objects, two people, or two places. For example, Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system. Now, there are 8 planets in our solar system, but which one is the biggest planet? That is the Jupiter. So, Jupiter is compared with the rest of the 7 planets. This is the most interesting book I have read. Now, I have read for about 20 or 30 books, but which one is the interesting? The one which I am reading now. This one is the most interesting books. So you might have also read many books, but which one was interesting? Right. When you know that when you are applying the degree to one object, one place, or one person, when you are giving them the superlative degree, the highest degree, that is your superlative degree of the adjective. I hope all the 3 degrees were very much clear to you all. Let's have a look again at it. The first degree was positive degree, second one is comparative degree, and the last one is superlative degree. Now these degrees have a few rules. Let's have a look at the rules. How are we going to change the positive degree to comparative and superlative degree? Now the positive words, that are your root words, how are we going to change them to comparative degree? We will take the root word and add an ER to it. Or when your root word, that is your positive words, already have a E to it, you will just add an R. When they have a Y, you will add IER for comparative degree. Or the last rule is you add more to the word to make it a comparative degree, like intelligent, more intelligent, expensive, more expensive. Now, how do we change this comparative degree to superlative degree? When we added ER to the root word for superlative degree, we will add an EST to the root word. When we have an R to the root word, we will add ST to the root word. Or when the root word, your positive word, has a Y to it, you will add IEST to the word. Or the last one is when you will add most before your root word, that is intelligent, most intelligent, expensive, most expensive. I hope all the rules were clear to you all. Now let's have a recap of our whole topic. Now for degrees of comparison, first in a sentence we have to identify the adjective, and if the adjective is an adjective of quality, only then are we going to apply the degree of comparison. What was the first degree of comparison? That is your positive degree, that is your root word. Now when we change the root word, positive word, to a comparative degree, that is when we are comparing two things, two objects, or two person, that is your comparative degree. Now last degree is your superlative degree, when we are making a comparison between two or more objects, two or more person, or two or more places, that is your superlative degree. And the last degree. Now I am giving you 2 activities as homework. These are the 9 sentences in which you are going to identify the adjective of quality first, and then tell me which are the degrees of comparison. Next one is this box, in which you have to complete the box with the positive degree, the comparative degree, and the superlative degree. I hope the topic was very much clear to all of you. Thank you for watching.